Hello everyone. So today topic includes prime factorization, HCF or GCD and LCM. So what is a prime factorization? So when we reduce a number to its factors where all the factors are prime, this is called prime factorization of a number. So we will start with the factor tree. Let's take a number 90. What immediately coming in our mind is to break it down into 10 and 9. 10 can split as 5 and 2. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. So this is a factor tree for number 90. Let's say n1 is equals to 90 is equals to can be written as in 5 into 2 into 3 into 3 again. Let's write it in a sorted way. 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So this is the prime factorization because all the numbers are here prime. All the factors are prime. In terms of power, we can written it as 2 times 3 square. 3 into 3 will be 3 square into 5. So this is the first method to do the prime factorization of a number. So second method is called division method. Let's take another number, say n2 as 24, say. So we will perform the division method here. It will go on to 2, 1, 2. 2, 6, 12. 2, 3, 6. 3, 1. So this is the second method, division method to perform the prime factorization of any number. We can write it like this, and in again power term we can write it as 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 will be 2 cube into 3. So this is all about the prime factorization of a number. Next is the HCF, highest common factor, or I will say GCD, greatest common divisor. So exact divisor is known as a factor. So this is highest common factor of a number. This is the, as I have written, minimum powers of common factors in both the numbers. So here we are taking two numbers. So we will check here the common factors. 2 is common in both the numbers. 3 is common in both the numbers. But we will take the minimum power of the common factor. So minimum power of 2 is what? 1. And the minimum power of 3 is what? Again 1. So this is the HCF. We have nothing to do with the 5 because this is not a common factor. So 2 into 3 is what? 6. So this is called the HCF of 90 and 24 here. Next is the LCM, least common multiple. Least common multiple is maximum powers of all the factors. In both the numbers, maximum power we have to take. Maximum power of 2 is cube into. Maximum power of 3 is square, and maximum power of 5 is 1. So here LCM will be equals to 360. This is the LCM. So this was all about prime factorization, factor tree division method. This is the way to write, and this is HCF, this is LCM of a number. Next we will see some questions and results for the HCF and LCM concept. Let's see here, very important results. First one is HCF is always a factor of LCM. HCF is always a factor of LCM. That is, it means LCM is divisible by HCF. So in last example, LCM was 360, HCF was 6. So clearly this HCF is dividing 360 at 60. So HCF will divide LCM, and HCF is always a factor of LCM. Now second result, whenever we are checking LCM or HCF of two numbers, then the multiplication of that two numbers will be equals to the multiplication of its HCF and LCM. So our numbers were 90 and 24. So these two numbers on multiplication, we are getting 2160. Let's check right hand side. This is 3, this is 6, and LCM is 360. So clearly it is 2160. So these are equal. So when we are checking the LCM and HCF of two numbers, then their multiplication will be equals to their product. So from here, if we know the two numbers, we can calculate the HCF and LCM. But if we know single number and HCF and LCM, we can easily find out the second number.